Hi friends, welcome back to MX Decor. I hope you all are doing well. If you are looking to upgrade your front yard or backyard, then this video is for you. In this video, we will be exploring some modern designs ideas for both spaces that are sure to inspire you. Starting with the front yard, we will showcase ideas like minimalist landscaping, the use of pavers or rocks to create a low-maintenance garden, and incorporating sustainable elements like rain gardens and native plants. We will also highlight how to incorporate functional elements like a seating area or fire pit into your front yard design. Moving on to the backyard, we will explore contemporary ideas like outdoor kitchens, built-in seating and outdoor lighting. We will also take a look at different types of landscaping like patios and decks and how to incorporate them into your backyard design. Additionally, we will discuss how to create a sustainable backyard through the use of eco-friendly materials and incorporating elements like rain barrels and composing area. Throughout the video, we will provide tips and tricks for how to bring these ideas to life in your own front yard or backyard, regardless of your budget or skill level. So whether you are seasoned dyer or just looking for some inspiration for your outdoor spaces, this video has something for everyone. I hope this video is very useful in choosing patio design for your garden. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.